Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung S21 and I'm going to show you how you can check the number of opened apps during the day. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to go below and find digital well-being and parental controls. Then click right here. And as you can see, when we go for the app timers, we can, for example, choose one of the app, for example, settings, and when you scroll down, we can see right here how many times we opened that app and also the hours. You can check also the Google one, and maybe the camera, it was opened 0 times. So as you can see, that's how we can check it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!